Hey guys, so it has officially happened. Here you can see Coinbase will list DOGINME and Keyboard Cat, two of the biggest meme coins on Base chain. They will be listed basically in around 4 hours, 4 and 30 minutes from my basically creating this video. And I want to show you what happened to Toshi after it was listed. Market cap of Toshi was basically around $178 million. After the listing, it went up to $900 million in market cap. So it's basically 7x from since listing. But the main thing is that Bitcoin was around 100,000 at that time. So I don't expect this kind of move, but still, we don't know anything. Right now, Bitcoin is going up. If you are looking at the charts, Bitcoin is from 81,000 to 84,000 today. So we are pumping. Maybe we will pump more. Let's hope for the best, because again, in few hours, DOGINME will be listed. And as they announced yesterday, the listing will be coming soon. Here you can see all the loss from the last basically 7 days was gained back up. And yeah, after the listing, I think we could go 2x, 3x, maybe 5x, maybe 10x if everything gets crazy, depending on the Bitcoin and the basically stock market and what Trump will tell. Quite a risky play, but I still think there is a huge opportunity to get some gains as it gets listed, because most of the coins actually go up in value after the listing, because many people are buying only on Coinbase. They don't know about decentralized exchanges or basically DEXs, so they are buying on Coinbase, and as they will see this starting to trade, they will just basically FOMO in. Yes, similar to Toshi. Toshi basically went up 7x after 3 to 4 days after the listing. So looking at what April 2nd will bring, because most people understand that Trump will be talking about the tariff thing, which will be insane, and no one can predict what will happen after that. And basically while he's talking, the next thing that will be listed is Keyboard Cat. Here you can see Keyboard Cat basically went up from 0.013 in price to basically in market cap, from 14 million to right now to 63 million, so around 4x, 5x. After listing, maybe it will go to 100 million. But the next thing I will do, I don't know how I will play this out, if I am waiting 24 hours or 48 hours after listing, maybe more. Maybe I will just survive the April 2nd and everything will pump back like crazy in stock market and crypto market, because I think everyone is just basically panicking because Trump is promising huge tariffs for 25 plus countries. And I think maybe this is the buy the news event, because most people are expecting to sell. Yeah, we have to look what China is doing, what Japan and all the countries are basically doing some, how they will respond to these USA tariffs from Trump. But the upcoming listings on Coinbase, I am 99% sure that these will be listed. And this video is not a financial advice. Obviously, I'm not an insider. I don't know anything. This is just my guess, but based on the research I have done, I know that the Base founder has talked about this TYBG like 7 podcasts. He has been tweeting like 20 times about TYBG. So TYBG right now, market cap 12 million, really, really low. And maybe they are basically leaving this for last. So when we get into a real bull market, maybe that's when they will list. And if this gets listed at a right time, for example, when Bitcoin is 100,000, this will most likely go 10x, as it is announced for a Coinbase roadmap. And what will happen next is after listing, it could go even to billion. But yeah, the markets have to be right. The Bitcoin has to go over 100,000 in my opinion. So yeah, basically these are my next big plays after I'm selling my DOGINME. Still, I don't know when I will be selling, but the next thing I will buy is TYBG and Benji, because I believe these both will be listed on Coinbase as well sooner or later. I'm hoping for a better market for them to list, because DOGINME basically will be listed today, and tomorrow will be the April 2nd, the biggest tariff day. So yeah, quite a bad timing for Coinbase. But yeah, these are still two of the most highest chance that this will be listed on Coinbase as well. That's why market cap really low. And yeah, how I will show you how you can basically research base meme coins. So let's just write base meme coins, CoinGecko, and here you will see the page. I don't know why my internet is so slow, but here are the top base meme coins, and let's look at this. So Toshi is listed, DOGINME listed today, Keyboard Cat today, DOGINME is listed, Ponkey, Ski Mask Dog, these are not listed. But from these ones, if I have to predict which ones will be listed, Basenji most definitely, 99% in my opinion. Mochi, I think yes, big community, Base God as well, MFR coin, higher, and about these ones, Chomp coin maybe, Russell, no idea. Maybe Base Chad, but the ones that I actually talked about, these will like 99% chance that will be listed. But today we have the DOGINME, the Keyboard Cat days, market cap 89 million. If this pulls out Toshi, what Toshi did, and it goes to 800 million, that's almost 10x, basically 9x from now. So let's hope for the good markets. And again, Bitcoin today is pumping, luckily. Yeah, it was 84,000 few minutes ago, but it is pumping, dumping. I don't think it will go lower. There has happened something major for Bitcoin to go below 80,000 to 78 or even 72, like many people are predicting. I don't think this will happen. I think April 2nd is the crazy last day. And yeah, that's why my DOGINME play. I still don't know what I will do. There is a high chance that everything pumps. This means DOGINME will pump like crazy. Maybe I will take out at 3x, at 5x. Maybe it goes 10x afterwards. That's why really hard to tell. But yeah, if I don't capitalize of the DOGINME pump, if it happens, I still hope for the TYBG. Because again, TYBG is only $12 million in market cap. If I can get in early, after the dump or pump, doesn't matter, it will still be low. All eyes on April 2nd, what will happen, how the markets will react. Maybe everything will go crazy, some more panic, maybe everything will go chill. But yeah, that's basically what I want to show you today. DOGINME listing today in 4 hours. Here you see all the information, 9 a.m. PT on April 1st. And yeah, basically, this is the video I wanted to make, and I hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly, and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.